Howdy everybody, and welcome back to our GameMaker Studio 2 Fundamentals course. Today we're going to talk a little bit about comments. Comments are very important. They help you to remember what you were trying to do 20 years later when you come back to your code and you find that only God knows what in the world it does now. So let's get on with the comments. So we have by default, you have this little description comment here that is created when you create a new event. You can actually edit what goes in up here in your preferences, but I have it set up so that it just has this single description line. And let's say I want to say this declares vars. Very simple, but it does something. So this has three. You need to have 3 lines, three slashes, and the @ description, or you could just have @ desk. That same thing, and it actually shows in here what it's doing. So that's actually very useful at that point there. If you have a bunch of different events and you need to remember what each event is doing off the top of your head. Then we have our more mundane types of comments. So we have just double lines and variables. But if we had a lot of comments that we wanted to do, we could do /* line */. Then we can make multiple lines of comments of everything in between there. Now let's say I didn't want any of this stuff available anymore. I want to comment it all out because I don't want it executing anymore. So if I highlight and press Control K, it will all be instantly commented. Or if I press Control Shift K, all the comments go away. So that's a very quick way you can get rid of code and bring it back without actually deleting it if you need to test something out in your game. And let's see, any other types of comments I want to really do. So we have our description, our multi-line comments, our single-line comments, and you have the ability to keyboard shortcut comments. I think that's everything you need to know for comments. So thank you very much for watching, and good luck with your coding. Make sure you comment lots because it's very important.